What's up guys, Earl here for Good Tech, and a couple months ago, we unboxed the OPPO Reno 5, and we loved its posh and clean design aesthetics. But now, OPPO sent us yet another OPPO Reno 5 to unbox, but it is the spiced up version. Introducing the OPPO Reno 5 Marvel Edition. Checking out its box, we are greeted with Avengers emblem. Opening it up, there is an imprinted comic type graphics behind the lid with all the original Avengers heroes like Hawkeye, Hulk, Thor, Captain America, Iron Man, and Black Widow. Underneath that is yet another box with each of the said characters' symbol, which is a pretty nice detail. Inside that box, you'll have your user's manual and warranty guide. Underneath that is the unit itself, which we'll explore more later. Lifting that up, we'll have the Marvel Edition case. Inside it is a SIM ejector tool, which has the Avengers logo on it. The 50-watt Super VOOC charger with the Avengers logo, earphones, and a USB Type-C cable in color red. Checking out the unit itself, we still have the same 6.4 inches 90Hz OLED panel with a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. But what sets this device apart from the regular Reno 5 is at the back and its buttons. At the back, we have a rough matte texture with glossy linings across the back panel, chrome and red accents on the sides and the buttons, a Marvel logo at the top, and of course, a holographic Avengers logo in the middle. There's also a pretty nice textured area sandwiching the Avengers logo, which is a pretty nice detail. Also at the back, we'll find the same camera module as the Reno 5 and also the OPPO branding below. Checking out the buttons and ports, we still have the same layout as the original Reno 5, SIM card slot alongside with the red accented volume rockers on the left, while on the right we have the power button with green and red accents. Secondary microphone at the top, while at the bottom we still have the speaker grills, USB Type-C port for charging, main microphone, and yes, a headphone jack. Checking out the UI, it still does run on the ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11. There are customized Marvel icons and wallpapers for this edition. Although it wasn't across the system, it is still a very nice touch. For performance, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset coupled with an Adreno 618 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. Checking out its cameras, we have a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. If you are curious about the quality, check out these sample shots. Juicing up this device is a decent 4310mAh battery with support for 50-watt Super VOOC fast charging, which on paper can juice up this device from 0 to 100 in just 48 minutes. If you want to know more about the Reno 5, we'll put a link down in the description box below for our full review. So, what do you guys think about the OPPO Reno 5 Marvel Edition? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.